Hora3D is a web application that shows the personal risk posed by flooding and other natural hazards in a 3D visualization, easy to find at hora.gv.at. There are two ways to enter Hora3D, either by entering an address in the corresponding field or by selecting a point on the 2D map. For this, we zoom in and select a point with a left click. In both cases, details about the selection are displayed on the left. Clicking on the corresponding text opens the application. Alternatively, you can also open the 3D risk visualization via the map selection, by selecting the desired natural hazard from the list. When selecting the natural hazard hail, potential damage to the building caused by the selected hail event is displayed. The hailstone size of the current selection and the hail resistance of the building components are taken into account. In the settings, we can change the roof type and the resistance values and adapt them to the products actually installed. For example, if we set the hail resistance of the roof to 5 cm, it will no longer get damaged, as we have hailstones with a maximum diameter of 4.7 cm here.